Good morning po, ma'am.
Morning po.
Good morning po.
Morning po, ma'am.
Okay, so before we start, hintayin lang natin yung iba ha na makapag-join. Let's start, let's say 10:15 para kompleto na kayo. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Morning po.
Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Morning
Good
po.
morning po, ma'am.
Morning pa pala. Gusto ko na agad matapos ang araw. Uy, ang dami pa rin wala. Kailan bang wala? Good evening po, ganun. Para tapos na agad. Lima pa ang wala. Nasa na mga ito? Kung kailan nyo sila, sabihin nyo ay mag-join na. Okay, so, ayan. So, ako po ang inyong magiging instructor sa AC/DC machines. So, I'm Engineer Kiko Liaz from Saraswati, Batangas City po. At I'm an electrical engineer po. And hoping na after 2 years, kayo naman, kayo naman ang mga lisensyado na. After 2 years, sana, no? Oh, bakit naman nag-cry? Hindi ko po sure. Hindi ko po sure kung after 2 years. At least, at least nandito na kayo. Yang. Okay, pasensya na po sa aking boses na medyo maos-maos dahil tayo po ay ubuhin ngayong panahong ito. Okay, so today po ay i-discuss ko sa inyo ang inyong syllabus, then mga class rules, and ayun, mag-attendance po. Sige, mag-attendance muna tayo. And doon nga pala po sa hindi pa nakakapag-join sa Google Classroom, mag-join po kayo ha para hindi ko na kayo i-accept pa pag mag-join kayo sa Google Meet. Magmatic na siya. Okay, so si Mr. Adonai,
Present po.
Mr. Aguila, Miss Alcantara,
Present po.
Alvarez,
Present po, ma'am.
Angeles,
Present po.
Anorico,
Present po.
okay, Azucena,
Present po.
Parola,
Present po, ma'am.
Batas, or Bata,
Present po.
Biscocho,
Present po.
Kalingasan, Shane, okay, Cardenas,
Present po.
Chua,
Present po.
Kunag,
Present po.
De Castro,
Present po.
De Villa, Tilao, okay, good morning. Etchage,
Present, ma'am.
Present po. Elauria,
Present po.
El Sayed. Ano po yung banggitin? Hello? Paano po banggitin yun? El Sayed. Yes po, Mr. Barola.
Sir, ay ma'am, excuse po. May foreigner po pala kaming kaklase dito po. Siya po yun. Si Adham po.
Ah, okay. Mr.
Dito
Adam.
po.
Okay, thank you for informing me. May foreign pala. Okay.
How about yung grade 2? Si Jenny D.
Okay. Si Mr. Aguilar. Kayo po ba ay mag-join po kayo sa Google Classroom. Para po doon ko kasi kinukuha yung yung list. Okay, nasa na ba? Esplana.
Present po.
Palome.
Falagme po, ma'am. Present po.
Wala ka silent G. Generoso.
Present po, ma'am.
Gida.
Present po, ma'am.
Gonzalo.
Present. Present.
Hernandez Joan.
Present po, ma'am.
Hernandez Rachel.
Present po, ma'am.
Ignaco.
Present po, ma'am.
Joson.
Ma'am, present po. Hosen po.
Magkamit.
Present po, ma'am.
Malabanan.
Present po, ma'am.
Manalo.
Present po.
Montañez.
Present po.
Morito.
Present po.
Mutya. Panopio.
Present po.
Roma Santa. Saking.
Present po.
Seda.
Present po.
Tiberio.
Present po.
Excuse me. Tingting.
Present po.
Villanueva.
Present po.
And Zorilla.
Present po. Present po.
Okay. Meron po ba akong hindi nabanggit? Si Mr.
Tapos, ang present difference natin is equal to, anong ginagawa?
Ilaw.
V1 natin is 532.
Okay. Okay, kung sino man po ang hindi pa naka-join sa Google Classroom, please join.
LV1 natin is 500, LV2 natin is 536 calorie per gram.
Okay, so,
LV1,
okay, I will discuss you today your syllabus, so that you will be able to know and understand the rules. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, nakakita na?
Yes po. Yes po, ma'am.
Yes po, ma'am.
So this is your course information syllabus. Course title is Reason Based Machinery. Course code is EE422. Okay, so, and ayan, again, I'm Engineer Monique A. Colliat. Studied Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, and I'm a registered electrical engineer. Okay? So, period of study natin it's 18 weeks. Okay, so the course deals with performance, characteristics, and operation including losses and deficiencies of DC and AC machines, such as alternators, induction, synchronous motors, synchronous converters, and transformers. It includes demonstrations and laboratory experiments. Okay, so we have a contact hours of 2 hours lecture and 3 hours laboratory. But we can also use 3 hours laboratory for our lecture. Okay? Then the criteria for assessment. So your final grade will be from this criteria, 30% from your paper, 30% from your final exam, 30% from your reports, that is an individual report. The 40% from your individual laboratory report. You have 10% from your peer assessments or grouping laboratory report. And we have 10% from your problem set and quizzes. Okay, so this course is designed for blended learning, such as face-to-face and online. So, face meeting will be done during odd week. So, odd week meaning next week we have a face-to-face meeting. Okay. Then for online learning, classes will be done asynchronously or synchronously. So synchronous classes will be done using video conferencing application. So for example, yung gamit natin ngayon or the one that we're using, which is Google Meet, enable the instructor to provide real-time classes. Okay? So for asynchronous learning naman, lecture notes and other learning materials will be uploaded and readily available in Google Classroom. So I already uploaded your syllabus, this one, and chapter 1, module 1. Okay, so expect na we have here a lot of problem solving. Okay? Then we have 2 major exams, midterms and final. Okay? Will major exams will be given as examination to assess the students' learning and understanding of the topics discussed during a specified period. Okay, so this will measure how far the students learned and master the topics and will determine the area that need improvement on the development of students' knowledge with the course. Then we have 2 problem sets. I will give you problem set before taking midterm and problem set before taking final examination. Okay, that will be your that will be your review. Then laboratory experiments. It will be performed face to face here in the machines laboratory, 4th floor. Okay. Students will be working in groups. At least 2 laboratory experiments will be performed. Okay. So this is to provide them the opportunity to apply the theories and principles learned during lecture discussion and maximize their learning through actual simulation. So I have here your intended learning outcomes. So upon completion of this course, the student should be able to first is explain the characteristics of different types of DC and AC machines and become competent individuals with adequate knowledge in his course. Next is determine the effects of this excitation upon the power delivered by alternator and solve problems involving power and efficiency. Next is demonstrate how to synchronize an alternator to the electric power utility system and also demonstrate the basic wiring connection of different types of generators and alternators. So, I know na you're not familiar with this words, DC and AC machine. So, don't worry, it's naman, upon completion. Okay? Next, so we have here the textbooks that you can use as your source for this course. So we have here electric motors and drives fundamental types and application, 4th edition. We also have electric machinery fundamentals, 5th edition. Then we have power generation handbook about AC machine fundamentals. Then we have a textbook in electrical technology, volume 1 and 2, and electrical equipment handbook, troubleshooting and maintenance. You can find that in our library. Next is, okay, so grading system. You already know the grading system naman, So the students who got a computed grade of 70 to 74 will be given an appropriate remedial activity in which the final grade should be either passing 3 or failure 5. So kung ang grade mo ay 69 pababa, that is already a failure or 5. Okay? 5. But if your grade is 70 to 74, you have a chance to get or to have a remedial exam. Okay? Then, attendance is very important. You have to attend the class regularly. Then, for those who will miss the examination or students who fail to make or take the exam during the scheduled date can be given an special exam provided that he or she has valid reason. If it is health reason, he or she should provide the faculty with medical certificate signed by attending physician. Other reasons shall be assessed first by the faculty to determine its validity. Next. So you already know the dropping so if you want to drop in this course, you should accomplish a dropping form and submit it to the registrar's office before midterm examination. Okay, so the students who officially drop shall be marked drop. But if you unofficially drops or drops out, you will be given a mark of 5 by the instructor. Okay, so these are the topics. These are the topics that we're going to wait lang.
Trailing zeros in a whole number with decimal point shown are
Okay. So,
trailing zeros in a whole number with decimal point are
these are the topics that we're going to tackle this semester. Okay, for chapter 1, so we have the magnetism and electromagnetic induction. No, that is for week 2 to 3. So identify the principles and concepts of energy conversion, magnetic and electromagnetic induction. So, expect nyo na puro siya problem solving. Okay? Which is formula-based naman siya. Okay? In chapter 1, all of the problem solving is formula-based or formula-based. Okay? Next, chapter 2, DC machines. under nito is DC generator and DC motor. That is for week 4 to 6. So we have 3 weeks, 4, 5, 6. 3 weeks to discuss all of that. Then after that, we will have our laboratory experiment number 1 about magnetism. That is week 7. Okay, so laboratory experiment shall be performed at Machines Laboratory here at 4th floor. Assessment number 2, problem set number 1. That is week 8. That will serve as your review for the upcoming midterm exam. Ayan, assessment number 3, which is your midterm examination. And that is on week 9. So, kayo na ang magbilang kung kailan yung week 9 na yan, ha? Para may idea kayo. Then we have chapter 3, AC generator. Then we will tackle there the frequency, pole speed, generator voltage, armature windings, parallel operations, and synchronizing techniques, loading and frequency control, three-phase and single-phase alternators. Okay, so dapat after ng discussion yan, you will be able to compare AC generator and DC generator na. Then you can formulate equations for generated voltage and voltage regulations. So you already know how to formulate equation based on the circuit naman, because you already took basic electrical engineering, right? EE 419 yata yun. Okay, so here, when we solve about DC machines, which is generator and motor, you will formulate your own equation to solve the problem. Okay, not like the chapter 1, which is magnetism. There you have formulas. Okay, here you will formulate equation based on the type of generator or motor. So we have here chapter 4, which is AC motor. We have your single phase and three phase motors, synchronous motors, and induction motors. Then after that, we have assessment number 4, which is laboratory experiment number 2. Okay, that will be on week 13. So learn the different characteristics and wiring of motors through actual experiment. Okay. Then for chapter 5 and the last chapter, we have transformers. Okay, so I will discuss you the working principles, parts and functions, application. That will be on 14th week. Okay, so after the discussion, you will be able to define the operation and principles of single phase and three phase transformer. And then you will be able to define the different types and classifications of and transformers, and also solve problems related to the topic. Okay, then after that, we will have our assessment number 5, which is laboratory experiment number 3. If aabot, if aabot siya, then we have problem set number 2. Problem set number 2 is your review for the upcoming final examination. Okay? Then that is for week 17. Week 18, doon na papasok yung remedial examination nyo. If there's a remedial examination. And that's all. Okay, so ako naman po ay hindi mahirap kausap. So madali naman po ako kausap. Tawag dito. Pag po ang estudyante ay maligalig, mas maligalig po ako. So, basta kayo makikinig lang sa lecture. And I can promise you that this semester will be smooth as, ano ba? Silk. Smooth as silk. So, mabait lang dapat kayo ha. Huwag kayong maligalig. Kasi maligalig din ako. Cheers lang. Okay, so ako po ay, ano ba? Ang ano lang naman sa akin, important is attendance. Pag always present ka naman and you're not absent-minded, kumbaga, you're listening well, okay lang, sa akin, masaya na ako dun. Hindi ko naman ipinipilit na, kailangan matutunan mo to, kailangan matutunan nyo to. No, I will not pressure you. Kasi, na-pressure na din ako nung college ako and sobrang hirap. Tapos sabay-sabay pa yung mga subjects nyo. Naintindihan ko naman kayo. Basta wag lang kayo mapapagod. Kasi kami din naman napapagod. So, pwede naman mapagod. Basta, di magpapahinga lang. Magpahinga lang kayo. Pero, go ulit. Okay, so, ayan. Okay, so, pag po ganito na online, okay lang sa akin yung medyo malilate ng konti. Pero, pag face-to-face naman, ayun, importante sa akin na yung laging maaga. Mas maaga sa akin dapat. Okay. So, next week, we will have our first face-to-face, no? Next week pa naman yun. Ngayon, this week, online lang tayo kasi even week. When it's odd week, then we will have our face-to-face. Okay, so, break time muna tayo, mga 5 minutes or water break muna or CR break. Then I will start the chapter 1, module 1. That's lang naman. I-recall lang natin yung natakal nyo na nung physics nyo. Okay? So, okay. I will be back at 10:50. Okay? Pero wag na kayo mag-out, ha? Bye-bye.